Can you feel that? Feels like the summer. We're almost there. As you wind down, roll out that media cart and take any moment during your prep to book that flight to anywhere but here. Why not check out some last minute essentials you'll need to cover for your tech? And for kicks and giggles, let's include some bloopers too. I'm Jordan, welcoming you to our season finale of your weekly upgrade. I've got to say this one more time. Have you signed up for one of our summer workshops? We have plenty of room just for you. We have the 3 choices of in-person, virtual, or self-directed. We'd love to see you there. The link is in the description of this video. Google Classroom is tired and needs a break for a couple of months. I think it's best that when you're all done with that tired class, you archive it. However, before you do, if you'd like to keep all the same assignments, posts, and resources without any of the current students, make sure to create a copy of your class first and foremost. From the main screen, choose a class, select the 3 dots, and then select Copy. Now you can rename it, add the upcoming year, and you're all set. Now to archive the original class, just go to the main screen once again, select the course, the 3 dots, and select Archive. Now don't forget, you can always upload any assignments or questions from any other class, including your archived classes, just in case you missed something. And there you go, you're now September ready. Let's take it to Katie from the academic team with one more digital health and responsibility tip.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I brought Mike along with me. We are the technology consultants with BNLT. As the school year winds down, it's crucial to remember our digital responsibilities. It's time to start thinking about all the digital tools you and your students have used this year. Each tool will have a different way to archive or remove data. If you're unsure how to remove sensitive information or delete accounts, check the guidelines for specific tools on our vetted apps list.
If you have students graduating or leaving the OCDSB, please remind them to remove any materials from their drive and other apps that they would like to keep before their last day. Let's end the year responsibly and set a good example for our students by demonstrating the importance of good digital citizenship even during cleanup. If you want to check out some staff digital cleanup resources, click in the link below. And now we're officially signing off as your technology consultants. Have a terrific summer. Back to you, Jordan.
Let me just give one big shout out to all the staff who helped make this season a success with the DHRs. Thank you for being a part of upgrading our lives with your tips and your awesome attitude.
Now back to you, Jordan.
Now, before we go, let's blooper it up with some of this year's mishaps. One last great tip. Oh, sorry, back again. And extension used daily. Did you move the camera when you bumped that? It's none other than the wonderful wool. Oh my gosh. And now you'll have, oh, my eyeballs. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, that's what she says. Keep on being a star. And I'm coughing. From the Google Classroom oh my gosh, I can't even say. Now remember, parents, oh my gosh. Click on the app selector or the wall, or, well, are you in the holiday season mood for me to make a mistake? Now it's time to get to some gifts. Oh. Now for the second gift. Oh, wait, sit up, up, stay. Okay. My name is Jordan, and let's get, oh, I had it. Would you like to receive the weekly upgrade as soon as released? Google Forms has, but you can now add an expire. Oh, the first is select the public. The first is to, let's check it. Oh, one sec. Okay, look up here. No, not yet. Wait. Because this tidies it up, organizes. Thank you so much, Corey. Why am I looking up?
My name is Juliana. Jordan's
Smile. Okay.
My name is Juliana. Jordan. My name is Juliana. Jordan.
Try it again.
My name is Juliana. Jordan. Okay. Okay. My name is Juliana. Jordan.
You're doing awesome. It's taking forever because you're being silly.
amazing day.
Now let's get into, oh man. And what's even cooler is that I can't remember anything. So now try out creating, Google Vids also lets you record stock library. Library. Okay, get out of the way though. Hey, you're gonna read it for me? Summer workshop details. Don't look at me like you're like, oh. Let me just remind you to have you signed up for one of our patio party summer, or share it and work collaboratively? I knew I was gonna mess that up. No, you gotta look down, look down. Okay, one more time. Okay, this is Jordan saying goodbye till the next school year. We hope to see you for our summer workshops, but if we miss you, please remember to enjoy the summer, stay safe, stay cool, and stay as awesome as you always are.